Mobbing in the Bentley, smoking moon. Rock, pocket full of mother.
Calm down a little bit.
Been a while since I drove him.
This guy's washing it. He was washing it today. He was here in Houston all weekend partying, you know, because I got tagged on all the clubs that he went. All fucked up and shit, and he wants to wash his truck. You should have washed it on the weekend, bro.
I did, but I didn't have no keys to the shop and it was locked up.
Oh.
That was the plan, to wash it on the weekend.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to On The Gas Show. We're back with another video, and today we're picking up Little Moonshine. Is that the official name, Little Moonshine?
It seems like it.
Baby Moonshine,
like,
Little Moonshine.
I like Baby Moonshine.
It's just the color Moonshine. It ain't even fast like Moonshine, but it kind of, you know, looks like Moonshine from far away. And my boy Tiny is joining us today on the vlog.
That is right.
So he pulled out the, what we call it, this one, black sugar?
Black sugar.
It looks pretty good riding. You look, yeah, it looks badass. Yeah.
It does need a little touches on the paint job, but that's coming pretty soon. I don't want to get too much into my truck. I want to talk about OTM, bro.
October Truck Madness?
I want to talk about OTM. As you know, we're getting close to OTM. OTM is a matter of like 30 days away, 28 days away. We're crunch time for OTM. Now, I want to answer a few questions. OTM is October 14th, and OTM is going down October 14th at Texas Motor Speedway in Dallas-Fort Worth area. We're no longer hosting it here in the Houston vicinity. We're going down to Dallas-Fort Worth area. I've gotten a few questions, and those questions are, hey, are we gonna get in? Hey, how's the lines gonna be? Guys, don't worry. This whole platform is all organized. The longest you'll probably wait in line, depending on the capacity, it's gonna be 30, 45 minutes. But you have that option to enter into a speed pass lane. Now, if you want to enter real fast and you're anxious to get in there, you could go in that speed pass lane, and that lane right there's a fee, and that fee is in cash only. But that's for those guys that don't like to wait, and you'll wait probably 10 minutes. But if you don't want to wait those 30, 45 minutes, jump in that speed line. Make sure you have cash money, because that's what they're going to charge you to get in. Is everybody going to get in? Everybody's going to get in. The only way that we're not going to let people in is if I have 100,000 people in there. Now, typically here in Houston, we bring in 15,000 people. So that venue fits 100,000 people. We're at capacity to fit everyone. If we hit 100,000 people and you want to come in, I'll leave and let you come in. You're guaranteed to come in. Everybody's guaranteed to come in. If you want a space for your crew and all that, you could go to Ticketon1.com. You purchase several packages, whether you want to park in the silver and the gold area. And if you want to be a vendor of our event, make sure you send us an email at one of these emails right here. We'll get in contact with you guys. But yes, OTM Crunch is happening in a matter of a few days. You do not want to miss that. We got some exciting racers lined up already. I have 12 racers already locked in for that day. We have my boy Isma coming all the way from Cali. We have my boy Freddy, the whole On The Gas squad, all in the burnout pit. We're competing for a belt as well in the burnout pit. We have a live concert with sick artists, entertaining artists. It's going to be an action-packed event. It's an event you want to show up to early. Also, remember, October 14th, October Truck Madness 2023 is going down. Make sure you hit it up, Ticketon1.com. But let's get this vlog started.
Alright guys, and also we're picking up Baby Moonshine, Little Moonshine, whatever you want to call it. We actually got the new hauler ready. As you can see, we finally got the CM bed on it, and it looks really good. It actually looks like a real work truck now, you know. And then since we bought a 5-car hauler, the regular 350s really can't pull it, but we got this one, and this one's a 5500 22 model, and with the bed and everything, it actually looks pretty good. We're probably gonna put a wrap on it or put, you know, the On The Gas logos and all that good stuff. And since we're here and my boy Lalo is an expert for the bedliners, I'm gonna put a bedliner here because Perrillo doesn't take care of anything that is not his. So he's just gonna put stuff back here. He's probably gonna put an engine and a transmission back here. He's gonna scratch everything up. Before we do that, I want to put bedliner. So Lalo, we were just talking about that, and you've done them before, right?
Yeah, we do them all the time.
You do them all the way to like aquí, okay?
The normal is this line right here where that sheet metal stamp stops.
Okay.
Then we do like
This has to be done for sure.
and sometimes they do it up to the wall. A lot of people like to leave them at that line since you're gonna be using it often, right?
Yeah. So we want to go all the way up on top.
So if you use it often, just go up all the way to the top.
Do you do like just here or aquí también?
No, just the wall.
Just the wall.
I mean, we can, but it look kind of funny.
It'll look kind of funny, yeah.
But we can if you want. Just depends on.
It's gonna look kind of funny like Tiny. Tiny looks a little funny.
What?
Nah, you look good, bro.
Yeah, but we can definitely do it.
So let's schedule that. Let me know whenever you have time so we can throw this nice bed liner before we scratch the whole bed out. You know, it's a work truck and it's gonna get scratched, but you know us, we like to look clean. Yeah,
It'll protect it too. These rust. Once it scratches, it's gonna rust.
It's gonna rust, yeah.
Because it's not cured steel. Okay. It's not like when you scratch a truck, it doesn't rust right away. But if you scratch like this steel, it rusts right away.
Okay.
I don't know what's the difference. Maybe somebody can tell me why it rusts so fast.
Another question: can we bed liner in here?
Yeah.
Okay, well then let's bed liner that because with the straps and everything, it's gonna get scratched
it's gonna get messed up.
and then it'll rust, and it's gonna fuck everything up. So let's do all the inner. We got a bunch of compartments so Perreo can hide his drugs whenever he makes a trip. So let's throw bed liner in this bitch.
Straps only, bro.
Yeah, right.
Smoke on the road.
He's a plug. He says he's a plug. Every time we go out of town, he hides the drugs in the trailers or in the truck.
Retired.
Right? Why are you laughing, bro?
No comment.
You know,
No comment. I plead the fifth.
You know the deal. You know. You're a cop and you're watching.
We're just joking.
We are just playing around.
Bed liner here.
Ay, así que mucho bed liner, no?
Just this trim. Not this, but just right here.
Pa pisar, okay? We'll see about that. But let's go check out the little Moonshine and see. We dropped it off here last week to do a bed liner. That was all it was missing. And y'all check out this badass work. I like to bring the trucks over here for Lalo because he was real good at this. So here it is. Nice bed liner.
See when you brought it in, right? You didn't see it?
They didn't see how bad it was.
They didn't? Okay.
No.
Do you have pictures of it? Because they had dents on the tubs for sure, right?
I had a bunch of them, man.
Yeah. There's a way of just bringing the truck here and just spraying bed liner with all the dents. And of course, you're gonna be able to see the big dents. Even though it's thick, it's still not gonna cover up the big dents. We wanna do it the right way, so I told Lalo, hey, let's go ahead and just do the body work. So whenever you spray it, it looks clean like this. So right now, it looks like a brand new bed. Yeah. Besides that, the bed liner that Lalo does is real nice, real crispy. It doesn't look like
like mud drops.
Yeah, I've seen those and that doesn't look good. But this actually looks pretty good. This one's pretty much done from the outside. We just gotta drop it a little bit. We gotta drop it a little bit more. And we are working on the interior. Right now it doesn't have interior. Right, Perreo?
It has somewhat of an interior.
No, okay. It actually doesn't go there.
It's from 420, though.
Oh, yeah. It might go a little fast.
It might. Just a bit.
Are you hot right now? Because your eyes are really red.
They're red, bro.
They've been
They're glazy,
red.
right? They're glazy.
I know they're red right
Look, Rockala just pulled up. You think he didn't smoke already,
that's
bro?
Right. That's right. Rockala's at the shop right now.
now. It's fucking
So,
hot, bro.
truck is pretty much ready to roll. We're gonna be dropping off at the suspension shop here probably today or tomorrow. Also, Tekashi is ready, so let's head out to the muffler shop, pick up Tekashi. Hopefully, we don't get pulled over on the way back because we didn't bring a trailer.
True that.
Back though the mic is that nigga Big Wood coming through your hood and you know it's all good. Nigga coming down, I weigh 255. A nigga so live, it's that 9-5. I'm with that damn hawk and the goddamn poke. I know them boys ready to smoke the killer smoke. They got the damn weed, they got the sport big blunts. Nigga ain't no punks, yeah, we like the big
So Tiny's just following us all day in his truck today, huh?
This is the most he's driven his truck.
Hopefully, it throws flames, bro. Because we went through this hassle for it to throw more flames. So, We actually dropped this truck off like 5 days ago. We haven't picked it up. Hey, don't think we forgot about the truck.
I was about to answer the title. I was hoping you forgot about it.
We were out of town. It was raining, and then we went out of town. We were in the valley, so I hope you guys liked the Bayuca vlog. Unfortunately, the race couldn't happen, but we're gonna go back and everything's gonna be situated.
It's closed right now, so you'll probably hear less up here because all the noise goes to the back.
Everything's gonna go to the back. Right now it's closed.
Right now it's closed.
Like this, not as loud as 2 of them, but it sounds more beefier. Sounds good.
You never drive it, do you?
I mean, I drive it to the barber shop.
Well, because when you, I mean, obviously it's nice to have them closed when you're driving it normal because the fumes go to the back. It's nicer inside, it'll bother you. But for you on this one, don't matter.
Yeah, it don't matter. I mean, the only place that we actually do drive this thing is either from KHP to the shop or from the shop to the muffin shop.
That's it?
Yeah. But it's at least once a month to the muffin shop. So we'll probably be back next month and do something else, you know what I'm saying? You down or what?
Yes,
You gotta be down. You gotta be down. No, it sounds real good. Now, are we gonna wait? We're gonna do it right now for the flames, or we're gonna wait?
Oh, it's in there?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
It needs to cool down.
Well, let me get out the way, bro.
Yeah.
Watch out, Tony. You're gonna toast your leg.
When you let go of the gas, that back pressure blows it out a little bit.
Well, I don't let it go of the gas. I give it gas and then I press a button and shit. Kill the motor and then it activates in the back. It's a little bit or more or a lot?
Yeah, it's hard to tell because there's too much sunlight. You can just see like the waves. Yeah, the waves.
Well, I guess we'll try it out at night or let the truck cool down a little bit. Something's not right with the flames.
You're supposed to be able to see it in bright daylight.
I don't know, I'm guessing. Yeah.
You are supposed to?
I don't know.
The 85 don't burn that bright, so that may be another thing.
We had to go back to regular gas. All right, let's go pay so we can get to the shop.
They're gone, baby. Shit.
I know he's gonna do donuts of it. What's that? You need a log. Yeah, but it shoots like real small.
No, no, es que no se ve, güey.
Yeah.
I think it's too, si la metes para allá, a lo mejor se ve más la flame. Por lo dark, pero sí sale.
¿Sí sale?
Sí, sí sale el flama.